Hello and welcome to Stephanie's Southern Kitchen. Our garden is about done for the year, but we still had some peppers, so David and I went out and got some hot peppers and sweet peppers. I like the sweet peppers and he likes hot peppers. So we're going to try doing both of them. We're going to stuff them with cream cheese and wrap them with bacon. First, we have to put gloves on. If you've ever worked with jalapeno peppers, you know why. They get under your fingernails and burns like crazy. Okay, so we're going to just cut the tops off and then get the seeds out. We have a seed core, but if you have just a paring knife or anything, it'll work. You want to try to get some of that little rib out of there because that's where your heat is, and it will make them hot. Okay. I'll do a few and then we'll come back to it because I know you don't want to sit and watch 36 peppers being cut up. And like I said, the lining, that's where most of your heat is. So we try to get most of that out. If you have sweet peppers, you don't have to worry about it as much, just with these hot jalapenos. We may not fill all of these, but I can freeze what we have left over and do those at another time. Just according on how much cream cheese we have and how much bacon, how far it goes. Okay, that's our last pepper. So now we'll take them over to the sink and rinse them to make sure we get all the seeds and everything out. Okay, now we have all the peppers. We have them cleaned, the seeds out of them. So now we will make our filling. And that is cream cheese and whatever cheese you like. I set the cream cheese out a little while ago so it's room temperature. That way it's easier to work with. So I have one package of cream cheese right here. And since there's so many, I'm going to go ahead and do another package because it may take 2 packages. And then some, like I said, cheese, whatever you prefer. It can be mozzarella, it can be cheddar. This is Colby Jack. Just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, and then just mix it all up real good. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. With this, there really is no set amount. We're going to have to take our bacon, cut it in half. Always use a different cutting board for meat than you do vegetables. Okay. Okay, now we will take, our hot peppers and a small spoon, one of the smallest ones you can find. And start filling the peppers with your cream cheese and cheddar cheese. Then take your bacon, wrap it around your pepper, take a toothpick to hold it, and put it on your tray. Then you'll do that till we run out of peppers or cream cheese. Like I said, part of these are going to be hot, part of them will be mild. Down in comments, if you don't care, David and I are kind of having a contest, see which one likes hot peppers, which one likes the mild peppers. So down in the comments, if you don't care, write hot or mild. That way we know which one won. I would say most people like the hot peppers better, but there's a lot of us that doesn't like hot peppers, likes more the mild peppers. Kind of like filling an ice cream cone. Just keep going till you think you've got it down to the bottom. I'm going to try to do about half and half. We used to cut them in half and fill it that way. And it is a little easier, but we got this tray and I really like it. It holds it all in. And a secret to the parchment paper underneath, if you'll wet it just a little bit, wet your tray, then put your parchment paper on, it'll lay flat for you. You don't have to sit there and fight it. If you had a baby spoon, it would really be great to do this with. Almost done with the jalapeno peppers. Then we'll start on the sweet peppers. One more. Okay, that's enough of the hot peppers. Now we'll start on sweet peppers. They're just a little bigger, so might be a little easier to get the filling in there. Garden season is about over, so we're trying to use up what's left of the garden stuff. There's not really enough to can, not really enough to freeze, but now is more the fun part whenever we can go out there and just pick what we want and fix zucchini bread, stuffed peppers, anything out of the garden, and it's always better fresh out of the garden. Everybody knows that. Kind of sad to see the season go, but then with all the work, you're kind of happy too. Kind of get a break for the fall. We can start doing fire pits and listen to Dave tell his ghost stories and Fix s'mores, that's always fun. Not too many left. We've got some people coming over tomorrow, so I may save some of these and do some more tomorrow. Just put it in the refrigerator and they'll be fine. Okay, looks like we're going to run out of bacon before we run out of anything else. But this will be plenty for us. If you ever tried these, they are delicious. A little time consuming to make, but definitely worth it. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees while I was doing this, so it's already preheated. Okay, got enough bacon to do one more. Now we've got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. We'll let it go about 25 minutes to check the timer. Basically what you're doing is cooking the bacon. So however you like your bacon, crisp or not crisp, it's kind of how you want to time that. So Alexa, set timer 25 minutes and we'll be back in 25 minutes. Okay, the timers went off on the oven, so we'll get the peppers out. I had to cook them about 10-15 more minutes, so 20 and 15, so about 35 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that. And this is your hot peppers. They're stuffed with cream cheese, cheddar cheese, Colby Jack cheese, and wrapped with bacon. If you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next week. Thanks.